Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's that time of the month again. Yes, it's colour of the month. And what have I got in store for you? Well, something amazing. A red, right? I love reds. Well, a reddy copper, if you like. So this colour is Cinnamon Frost R. So let's address it in that order. So cinnamon we have, which is a reddish coppery kind of shade in its nature. So we have cinnamon shades running throughout here, which look amazing. So the mid-lengths and ends are very much kind of cinnamon infused. The frost. So the frost, if I look here, can you see those lovely frosty, icy blonde highlights around the front? Well, they continue around the whole head. So if I just take the mannequin off, you can see the copper has been woven through with the frosty highlights, which really gives a very unique texture and blend, in my opinion. I love it. And of course, the R stands for the root. So I'm just going to take her off the mannequin a second and show you the R. So we've got this lovely chocolate root. So this is Cinnamon Frost R. And if you're thinking, wow, what a great style, this is Rohan, and this is in the Amore Collection. But this is my colour of the month.